Welcome to our channel, and today we're going to be making Thai coconut pancakes. And the first step is to shred the coconut. Perfectly shaved. Can I see that bowl? If you don't want to have to shred it by itself already, then you could buy pre-shredded coconut from the store. Okay, we're actually done with the coconut now, and Mom helped us because it was too hot. And now we're going on to the next step. So first we have coconut 500 grams, coconut milk 100 grams, sugar 150 grams, glutinous rice flour 220 grams, pandan leaf juice 50 grams, coconut oil 1 teaspoon, salt half a teaspoon. Alright, so first we're going to start off by mixing this rice powder and sugar.
And salt.
We're also going to add salt. And this is more everywhere. And this is more everywhere. So satisfying. Look how much is everywhere. This is all right there. Come on, mix it. Alright, next we're gonna add coconut and pandan leaf juice. Mix it. Ooh. And now pandan leaf juice. Let me get one. It's green. Ooh. For the pandan juice, you could get it out of a can, but we use the fresh one because it smells better. All our coconuts are green. I'm powdery. Powdery coconuts. And green. Alright, now it's time to add the coconut milk. I'm gonna try a spoon. So slimy. Where's that little puppy from? Look. Smash. Okay. It's actually turning green. Are these pancakes gonna be green?
Mm-hmm.
And then as now for the coconut oil, it's we're not actually gonna mix it, but we're gonna spread it on the pancake to make it like buttery. So let's continue to mix it. There's a lot of water. Alright, it's looking pretty good to me. It's time to cook it. It's like a paintbrush. We're gonna coat it. We're using coconut oil. And I guess we'll just let it sweat a little bit. Alright, we set the temperature at 350 and now it's time to cook. Ew. Is that good? Gonna make a mini pancake. Where's the spatula? I think that one's too thick.
My spatula is right here.
I need it.
My spatula.
Alright, we put some of that in the pan and it's time to cook. So we're just gonna let them sit there. One of them looks like it's burning. So, flippy? Flippy? Want me to flip you? Ooh! You wouldn't like to flippy? Flippy? All of them?
Oh yeah.
We flipped it. Gonna let the other ones cook in to see how they turn out.
I want a mini one.
Alright, so now it's time to flip the last one. I think it's the baby one. Let me see. The baby one? No, I don't think the baby one's cooked. Looking back.
What?
I don't think the baby one's cooked yet. We got one cooked one right here. Alright, so now it's time to taste it. Come on. Come on, let's go. We don't have all day.
No!
No. Oh, this one. Do we taste it?
Taste it.
It's kind of hot. It's pretty sweet. It's kind of crunchy. What's it? Kind of sticky too.
You make me mad, please. No!
It's kind of like the dessert version of a tortilla. It's pretty good. So it tastes good. It's really sticky,
Yeah.
but it's good.
When it goes inside my mouth, it feels like an emoji.
Mochi?
Mochi.
Mmm.
You want some? Let's see. This one cooks. Are you cooked? I think you cooked.
Guys.
Alright, so these turned out pretty awesome. So if you like them, comment down below I liked. And please like and subscribe. Share this video. It would help us greatly. Thank you. And we'll see you in another video. Look.